meghalayapost.news.
Da kejing temu ban penyar ya kejikatung bat kejing penmi ya kejing tung baremdor bat kibanek slam kum somret sotrun cinnamon large cardamom cashew coffee bat koko nyamar kejing long jingman joko sin beneng kolong ke bapaka na ke benta kita kejing tung na kaliang ke sarkar Lyngba ka CM Farm Plus kadan kejing angnor ban kersan pisa ya Nongrep ha kejela bat kumjuru ban penyo ik Symbai ha kapor ke babiang. Nah kaliang Myntri Rangbah Sha kondat kisama mentak singi lawan menpilih pajba ya ketika program Ribhoi kabelong ru ke jengkerku ke bakrau ke Nongrep banang penyar ya jingtung ya ketika marep baremdor ha kathai ni boy ha ke ba ke jingrep ya ketika jingtung baremdor ki balak ban kentiu ya kayok ke kot ki pajba ha ketika singi lawan ru bandon lang de kong Prin Lingdo Menteri Ketenat Karep Karyang uba merabon sim MLA ke Nongpo ubaran war Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi berki officer Ketenat Karep Karyang.
Ingat saya tahu jauh, kira beri ingat saja, kira beri beri sendiri, kira beri ibadah di dukan, di homestay, atau karakter. Pada kali ini, ya dalam terima kasih kepada program itu, ya kepada nanti memberikan siapa mahu dan kita bersam, ya di Symbai dan di Nongrep di bawah ini. Jadi kan ini besar sekali kepada di jadi di bawah saya. Yang dari sini dan dari ini pesan yang bersorga untuk politik tinggal inang gede dan pos. Nah itu jadi officer juga agriculture, horticulture dan director di offshore kiba treasure sangat dan berpikiran bagi kita sekarang Ribhoi solusi mereka. Ini kubur yang tadi digunakan oleh jumlah pendiam yang baru digunakan untuk mereka. Dan dari umumlah disuruh dan malah dari perusahaan negara lalu di produser group mulai bergerak membangun fokus plus berdiri ini mat tiba namanya untuk Myntri Rangbah Sha ini tidak berkomporkan terbang dan berlanjut di Nongrep. Bagi tempat terbang menasi yang Islam kalau nak bentuk segera bagi segera Ribhoi itu adalah dia hal yang hijau dikejar dan mesti cukup berkor. I places sit in the bar, in Nongrep lewat, in officer in Rangbah, but currently, yeah, the contribution. Thank you so much, sir, for the initiative that you have taken for the state as a whole to ensure that all farmers are not left behind with the initiative and the steps taken for the betterment of our farmer and land. Please go to Malaysia, there.
Symbai Cardamom Cardamom yang dikatakan kita spices kumpu ilaiji diperkatu bahangi hawa Ribhoi Ribhoi mahal kata kejingdong the potential bantung kampung kopi usok syemil lani black pepper nanta ukashunam kaya aku ini joki di banten long pa la ikulot dalam India pati kita tu pada diri pa nilasan pada yang kecil ini yang sotrun mentapa hari ini Chief Minister udah berong ini ulang perda yang akan Minister's Farm Plus. Another scheme, Kanyan Kamtam Lele, Yakun Kiti Kijajin Fumu, Kibadangam Yaki Karkhana, Kibakam Care, But Jaka Pune Unsang Yakusi Duni, Bakam Pang, Nakadao, Another scheme, John Chief Minister Juni, Kanyara, Yang Nongrep, Bakin Yo, Yang Jinyaram, Kamper Pang, Lalu Kapol, Pakistan, Pan, Keni, Ya, Uni Ujinung, Halo Kapol, Bangi, Rak Neki, Ipendek, Yang Processing Jongki, Bangi Neki, Syukiyo, Kibaye, Omtang Hakari, Lajong, Kamtam, Ha, Pertain, Barok,
And as I said, today what we're doing with the CM Farm Plus is just one more step to help the lakhs and lakhs of farmers in our state of Meghalaya. As Spah Ngut has mentioned to you, that through this program, we have realized that our farmers are not able to get the seeds, the quality of the seeds, and the timing of the seeds, so that they're able to really increase their production. In a CN Connect program, I think all of you know I'm having public hearings. In the CN Connect program, public is explaining and telling me about their problems. So there were two women who mentioned about the issue of not getting the seeds on time. So this particular program is meant to help our farmers get the seeds on time and get the quality and the quantity that they require. Another important thing about this program is we are not looking only at short-term production. We are looking at long-term production so that for many, many years, even after the program is, say, ended or gone, the farmers will still get the benefit from this program. So through this, we have decided that almost 10,000 hectares of land will be cultivated under this program. We expect to spend approximately 300 crores distributing the seeds, and the products will include large cardamom, vanilla, black pepper, cinnamon, cashew, pineapple, coffee, and cocoa. So these products seeds will be given to the farmers as they desire, and we are planning to do this program village-wise. So rather than distributing to one farmer in different villages, our plan is to adopt the full village so that everybody is part of the entire process and everybody can help each other, and the quantity that we are able to get from that village will be enough for the buyers to come and buy, because all the farmers will be involved in the cultivation of that particular product. So this is a very unique program, and as I said, a program that is meant to fill that gap of the problem of seeds and availability of seeds to the farmers on a timely basis. This is of course a project which we will not be able to cover every village in the state, but in the initial phase, 10,000 hectares for the first 5 years, about 10,000 hectares will be taken up. And of course, if the response is positive, then we will keep expanding this project. And I'm hopeful that we will be able to, with this intervention, we will be able to help our farmers increase their revenue and be able to grow additional products.
meghalayapost.news